All right, we just went ahead and leaving the door closed up, open their small door up. I've got all their waters turned off. Poured water in their big container they've got in there. And getting ready for a winter storm. Yep, we are to get up to 5 to 6 inches. My guess, 3 to 4. But we'll find out. It just started raining. And it's about 8 o'clock. And I'm going to go on over here and check out these animals. And they say we should get 12 hours of snow. So we'll see. Alright, let me go out to these other animals and make sure they're all set up. Look at that. The snow is starting. It's here early. It was really coming down a few minutes ago. Ground's pretty warm. Last night they said the ground temperature's around 47. So it's going to take a lot of snow hard for it to stick and stay. And it's supposed to be a wet snow this time around. Looking good. I'm loving it. Alright, I'll bring you back when we get more accumulation. The kids are going out to play. Alright. The winter wonderland that they told us that we were going to get was supposed to be, I think, the max of 6 inches. I've seen from 4 to 6 inches what I've seen. That's it. Now, I can say this. We did get, it did snow maybe 7 hours of the day. But our problem was our ground temperatures were 47 degrees when this all started. And we snowed heavy snowflakes like they said they would. But it all melted. It all melted, and this is what we end up with. I think I will go and say maybe sometime right around when this is getting dark, it turned to rain for like an hour, and then it turned back to snow. Temperatures were somewhere right around 35 degrees all day, and we got snow. Right now it's 31. And there we are. Let the dogs out. I've always liked looking at the house when it was all snowed over. But I thought I'd give you a quick little look of our winter wonderland. That quite didn't happen, I think, because of ground temperatures. But here we go. Well, I'm going to get going. Y'all take it easy.